Okay guys, in second gear now. Pretty awesome guys. Look at the brakes. So guys, the आगे के brakes Brembo के कर दिए गए, पहले Nissan के आते थे. In 2021-22 they have changed to Brembo brakes and aluminium wheels also as compared to steel which used to come earlier. Well, लिखा हुआ on the right hand side 790 mm is the seat height. So उससे क्या plus point होता है? So उससे पैर भी मेरे यार absolutely flat लग जाते हैं नीचे. For reference inseam 31.5 inch है. Let's do the 0 to 100. Let's go. So guys, we've checked the 0 to 100, first gear top speed, second gear top speed of Triumph T120 2022 edition. Now let's check out the color also. We've got Cordavian red, silver ice and the cobalt. What is up guys, hope you're doing absolutely fine. Exhibit cover here, bringing you 2022 T120. Look at the brakes. So guys, the आगे के brakes Brembo के कर दिए गए, पहले Nissan के आते थे. In 2021-22 they have changed to Brembo brakes and aluminium wheels also as compared to steel which used to come earlier. Okay guys, the engine is 1200 cc, liquid cooled 8 valve single overhead camshaft है इसमें, 78.9 bhp है and absolutely brilliant. Horn सुन लिए. This got the cruise control also standard now. Brilliant exhaust है, मजा आ गया सुन के exhaust. Okay guys, now what we're going to do now, check out the first gear and the second gear top speed and lots more to come. Let's go and check the first gear top speed. Let's go. Yaar, feels very light yaar, very smooth acceleration. First gear top speed 89 kilometers per hour. What else do we need yaar? Brilliant. Now let's check out the second gear top speed. Okay guys, in second gear now. Pretty awesome guys. 119 kilometers per hour in second gear. क्या बात है भाई, 119 kilometers per hour in second gear. A very skillful bike guys, absolutely fantastic performance, no two ways about it. Cruise control दे दिया, traction control है, switchable है, ABS dual channel है, non switchable. But yeah, this bike is an absolute mile muncher. तो भैया जितने भी miles करने हैं इसमें आप बिल्कुल fantastically कर सकते हैं. Very cruise oriented bike, very comfortable. Instrument cluster भी है, 3D हो गया है. That looks absolutely brilliant. And Bonneville लिखा हुआ on the right hand side 790 mm is the seat height. So उससे क्या plus point होता है? So उससे पैर भी मेरे यार absolutely flat लग जाते हैं नीचे. For reference inseam 31.5 inch है, height 5 foot 8 inch. Absolutely brilliant bike है. Overall very comfortable and very, you know, इसमें आप बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं. Very suspension है, very sorted on the softer side. But mile muncher है and bumps इसमें पता ही नहीं लगते हैं. That's size of the engine is also 1200 cc. So you can imagine the performance of the vehicle is going to be absolute top notch because initial torque इसमें इतना ज़्यादा है. Absolute pocket rocket type नहीं है. It's a big rocket. तो भागती है, you know. Very good initial acceleration, top notch है इसमें. कोई भी gear में आप लगाओगे, you'll feel the initial acceleration to be very good. It's got a 6-speed 105 Nm torque है इसमें यार. आ जाता है 3500 RPM पे. That's also quite amazing. That's the biggest plus point इसका. And weight is 236 kgs. But the torque इसमें is absolutely fantastic है. Tubular steel twin cradle chassis है इसमें. Fuel tank capacity भी इसमें मिल जाती है आपको 14.5 liters and reserve इसमें मिल जाता है यार 2 liters. So overall not bad. You'll be getting an average of approximately मेरे ख्याल से यार 18 और 22 के बीच में आपको मिल जानी चाहिए. तो range will be, if I'm not mistaken, around 290 to 310 kilometers overall range होनी चाहिए इसकी. So quite a big, देखिए बम्प में भी ऐसे चले जाती है, not bad. ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस है 140 mm which is not bad at all. अगर आप पूरा लोड करेंगे तब डेफिनेटली थोड़ा सा चांसेस होते हैं नीचे होने के, बट ओवरऑल वेरी गुड. एंड इंजन, यू नो, आप नीचे प्लेट लगा लीजिए इंजन गार्ड, तो ओवरऑल उससे भी आपको प्रोटेक्शन हो जाती है. ओवरऑल एन एब्सोल्यूट टॉप नॉच बाइक. आगे यार फ्रंट डिस्क मिल जाते हैं आपको 310 mm विच आर ब्रेम्बो, और यार पीछे आपको मिल जाता है 250 mm सिंगल डिस्क. ओवरऑल अ वेरी गुड सॉर्टेड बाइक यार. इसमें 2 मोड्स मिल जाते हैं आपको. वन इज़ रोड मोड एंड वन इज़ रेन मोड. रेन मोड में परफॉर्मेंस थोड़ी कम हो जाती है, रोड मोड में फुल परफॉर्मेंस आपको मिलती है. सो वी आर ऑन रोड मोड नाउ. नाउ लेट्स चेक आउट द 0 to 100 गाइस. लेट्स डू द 0 to 100. लेट्स गो. Absolutely brilliant, guys. 0 to 103.5 seconds. Absolutely top-notch bike. First gear 89 kilometers, second gear 119 kilometers per hour. What else do we need, guys? Whoa. Absolutely brilliant, guys. Top-notch performance. मजेदार performance है, guys. No two ways about it. Linear acceleration पता नहीं लगता speed का because of traction control. Absolutely very well sorted bike. And suspension is also quite good. So guys, we've checked the 0 to 100, first gear top speed, second gear top speed of Triumph T120 2022 edition. Now let's check out the color also. We've got Cordavian red silver ice and the cobalt blue silver ice, which are absolutely top-notch colors. You also get jet black in standard, which has got the chrome exhaust and the chrome wheels, and jet black and the black exhaust and black wheels. उसके बाद we get the gold edition standard and the gold edition black. Absolutely top-notch colors are, which look absolutely amazing. And we've got matte jet black, matte graphite also. That is also an absolute top-notch stuff. Rear view mirror is also quite adequate here. इसमें यार you get the front DRL also मिल जाती है, which looks absolutely astonishing to look at. Brilliant looking bike and beautiful looking headlight. So इसमें what you get is the tire that you are going to get are going to be 110 by 90, 18 inches in the front. पीछे मिल जाते हैं 150 by 70, 17 inches. Absolutely top-notch stuff. Both of them are tubeless, but इसमें ट्यूब लगती है and these are spokes और vintage looks को complement करती है. Rear view mirrors आपको मैंने बता दिया है. For this bike, size overall not bad at all. Overall very good, very comfortable and very nice. Seat height 790 मैं बता चुका हूँ. And overall 2 years warranty मिलती है with unlimited kilometers. Rear view mirrors top-notch stuff. So guys, the warranty is also 4 years हो जाती है total. अगर आप 2 years और extend करवा लें, it becomes 4 years unlimited kilometers. That is also very good. Service interval 12 months में आता है and 16,000 kilometers में service interval आता है, जो कि एक साल में एक बार आपकी सर्विस आती है. So very good यार and beautiful. आप देखो मैं चला कैसे रहा हूँ, smoothly higher gear में लगा के lower speed पे रखा हुआ है. No wobbling, no juddering, nothing of that sort. So very smooth acceleration. A brilliant bike. Overall a very good package that you can have. It lasts for a long time और इसकी vintage looks तो है ही, तो ओवरऑल कहीं भी पार्क करते हो कोई नोटिस ज़्यादा करता नहीं है. तो दैट इज ऑल्सो अ बिग प्लस पॉइंट ऑफ दिस एब्सोल्यूट बीस्ट. ओके गाइस, SGB Turbo taking a leave and signing off. Until next time, see you very very soon. Like, share and subscribe कीजिए guys for the latest updates. Hit the bell icon. SGB Turbo taking a leave and signing off.